Jonathan here again with West Edmonton Coin and Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to package your coins in a capsule and a 2x2 holder. So firstly, we're going to go over with do not clean your coins. Never clean your coins as you can damage them, ruin the patina, the finish. The one exception is for silver coins, and we sell a special silver dip for when your silver dollars get tarnished. You're able to dip them, rinse them, and pat dry. But we'll go over that in another video. So firstly, with the 2x2 capsule, the Quadrum from Lighthouse, you want to find along the edge the little corner where you're able to open it. Secondly, you want to pick up your coin, again grabbing it by the outside. Here I have a pair of coin tongs, which make it fairly easy to handle and maneuver. You place your coin in there, and I can use the tongs or my gloves to push it in, sealing it up, keeping it protected, and as a nice piece you can display or show in your house. The other method we have is our 2x2 cardboard holders. Again, one of the more popular methods. I like to fold it in half first, get it prepped up. This time I'll use my gloves as I find it a little easier. So again, I'm going to handle the coin by the edge. I'm going to place it in the 2x2, making sure my alignment is good. Folding it in half. And again, depending on preference, some people like 4 staples, 1, 2, 3, 4, but I'm just going to do 3 right now. So you always want to make sure your stapler is not going to hit your coin. I get my bottom lined up. Give it a little alignment. And there you have it. And that way you can distinguish your coin, variety, or even special moment where you receive the coin. And I'd like to thank you again for watching today. It's Jonathan from West Edmonton Coin and Stamp. Thank you for tuning in to Window into the Collectoverse. And please check us out again. Comment down below on your favorite method of packaging coins or storing your coins. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.